Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Bay Township Libraries. Today we are going to make a sock gnome. Let's see what we'll need for this activity. So we're going to start off this craft by taking an adult sock and filling it with 1.5 cups of rice, and then we'll rubber band the top of that just above where it's full and cut off the rest of the sock. So once that's done, you can work on adding the beard to your gnome, and we're going to use faux fur for that. And you want the beard direction to be going down, and then you'll wrap that around your sock, and you want it to pretty much wrap most of the way around, and you'll mark off where it stops. And using a utility knife, you're only going to cut the back. You don't want to use scissors with faux fur because that becomes kind of messy. You only want to cut the backing, and that's where the utility knife comes into play. So you want to go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back in just a moment to move on to the rest of our craft. So in our next step here, we want to glue our beard on. So I did that using some hot glue, and then I added a nose using a pom-pom. So I'm going to make my hat out of some green felt, and I just kind of measured out a shape. And now I'm using my hot glue to kind of adhere my felt together so that that shape stays. And then I will add my hat onto the top of my gnome. And if you want, you can fill your hat with polyfill. It's not required, but you can if you want it to kind of have a little bit of a better shape. There's my gnome. And you can go ahead if you want and decorate with some ribbons, some additional pom-poms. It's up to you, but we are done. And here is our sock gnome. So thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.